How to create Shopify coupon code. Hi, this is Andrew from Flowium, and in this video I'll show you how to create Shopify coupon code and explain you all the features and options you might have. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first you need to do is to log into your Shopify. Then you have to click to discounts, and here you have all available discounts that you created. In my case, it's a demo account. I don't have any discounts, but you can create a discount. But before I continue, if you are using KLAVIYO as your email marketing service provider, I have another video about how to create coupons in KLAVIYO through Shopify. So please check it out. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so you can type in whatever you want, like holiday 2020, or if you want to make that code unique and not very rememberable, it's hard for me to pronounce that word, you click generate code, and here's your code. So let's do generate code. Then you have 4 types of codes. So first it's percentage, 10% off, 20% off, 50% off, and so forth. Fixed amount, meaning $5 off, $10 off, and so forth. And by the way, you see when I click here, the bottom part changes because percentage off, it's in percents. Fixed amount, it's in the dollar or any other currency you use Shopify for. Then we do free shipping. There's no other option. And when you buy X, you will get Y. So let's do percentage, because this is the most typical one. So let's do 10%. And now it's asking you to which product we can apply the discount code. The most common one is all products. However, if you're doing some kind of flash sale for specific items, you can do specific collection, or you can even do specific product. Maybe you have a sales collection or like winter collection in summer and you want to start selling your winter stock, or you can use specific product and you will type in and you will apply that product. So let's do all products, which is typical one, and minimum requirements. So minimum requirements for percentage discount, it's not as applicable because you don't really care, because if they buy product even as low as $5, they will get 50 cents off. When it's very important, the minimum requirement is like, let's say $50 off. You do not want them to buy $50 of your product, apply the code, and get the product for free. So in that case, you can put something minimum is like 150, or let's do 500. So which is a 10%. So it's very important to put minimum requirement when you do fixed amount, free shipping, buy X, get Y. So let's do back percentage. Let's do none. Or the minimum quantity of orders, like maybe you giving them 10% off if they buy 5 of your items. Then it's customer eligibility. I would recommend to put everyone and do not put anything else unless you have some marketing genius idea, like to segment out those people. I would not recommend to do that. And also it's easier to do in your email marketing service provider or any other tool to segment out those people and send the discount code only to specific people. Then it's limits. So first is limit number of times. Maybe you have a Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale and you want to provide only 100 discounts. So this discount would be available only to 100 users, and there are built-in scarcity. People will buy faster because there's limit. When you apply this discount code, one person can use only once. If they want to buy again from you, they will not be allowed to use this discount code. If you uncheck that, this discount can be used as many times as the person wants to buy from you. And the last thing is active date. It's also very important for scarcity. In case you run some kind of flash sale, you can say something like, hey, today we're starting flash sale. it will start at 8 a.m. today, Eastern Standard Time, and it will end tomorrow by midnight or something like that. And if they even 1 minute past midnight, they will not be able to use that discount. Okay, and the last thing is to click Save Discount. And that's it, this discount, and it will be available in this discount section, and it's active. In case you have any other questions about this video, please leave them below. Also, if you like this video, put thumbs up. If you don't like it, thumbs down. If you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the bell. We are releasing this kind of videos every Thursday. Thank you. Bye.